Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to find out the country code of any iPhone device. As we know that while the purchasing, it's very important, so that's anyways country that we are purchasing of iPhone device. And anyways, especially there is a sales model area there we will have to find out to have the good configuration in Apple database server. Either we have in the unlocking the iCloud activation lock links or time screen passcode, iDevice mobile management code, or of course screen passcode, face ID, touch ID, any kind of, or either your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode in a situation. Of course this is very important to other find out. So how do you find out? Let's see here. Just we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool. Then of course here we will have to connect a data cable. So let's see, connect a data cable. So see here, iPhone has been connected. We will come on here. Now see here, this phone is especially locked links and iCloud activation lock links especially. Now here we can see the sales region is a Canada, and country code via that of course you can also find out. See, sales model is especially CA. On a particular some of the device there is no indication that in which country sales region of this device, so it's a Canada, but of course we can find out via especially see this sales model is a C/A, and if I go for on this official website C/A is going to be a C here, A is going for Canada. So of course you can say the last A is indicating C/A Canada. It is here C/A is indicating for Canada. Now you can check it out here how easily, especially similar, just to we can say sales model we will have to find out, and here sales region, and by that of course now the while we bypassing to any iCloud activation lock links on any iPhone device at that time, of course we will have to change the internet connection, or we will have to utilize the virtual private networks via console method when we are trying to unlock this. So here the Canada means I will have to of course set or establish the IP address of this Canada, so that while we are the flashing with this, especially by clearing the cache analysis, whatever the inside of the data, redundant or return data, apps and application, anything. Due to that, especially in Apple database server, we are having the good configuration that there is no any data that is linked to an Apple or locked to another. So easily that can be so. In the next tutorial I will show you actually how do you unlock live especially recorded. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For the main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would remains to reply of the query, guys. And if you found that this is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget, please ponder, like, subscribe, share with this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to the make such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.